bunch of random stuff. This area here is empty. I have to squat. Ooh, I'm taking these.
Alright, come on out now.
Okay, I'm finally back. And guess what arrived today in the mail? Now it's time to speed build this thing. Alright guys, I did it. I built Lego set 31124. Here's the box. And here it is. And now, it's time to add... Oh, right. It's time to add the Autobot package that I designed before. So now, with the little stop motion, we'll go ahead and make him scan the Corolla. Okay, Olympic class ships is back, and this is really a nightmare. So I'm gonna place Olympic class ships here. We can tell the difference because his has a red and mine is yellow. So anyway, it's time to add the Autobot package. So what I do is, I replace these and then install these. The chest part, obviously. I think I might need help. Wait. I got it. Alright, this chest part. Sorry, buddy. And the wings, obviously. So then this is the front. It's supposed to resemble the chest of... it's supposed to resemble the front of the car. Well, I try my best to replicate it. And of course, the wings or the doors. And then I design...
Well, it needs to be bigger.
And then I design it so I could fit the original wheels. The wings in. So I could fit the original wings in. Just like that. And now the Autobot package is complete. I officially have my Lego bot. I officially have one Lego bot. How sick does he look? Compared to his little Cybertronian form. I'm gonna do the pose. That the box showed. This looks like nightmare fuel. There's two robots of Olympic class ships. Hey, look, Cybertronian. After scanning the car, it turns into Toyota Prime. Look how sick he looks. I am Toyota Prime. I'm going to turn to a car now. Look at that. From this to this. That is just amazing. Like, I was so anxious until it finally came in once I came back from school.
Oh, by the way, you gotta go take a shower.
I know. So then, Cybertronian. He's actually gonna be the enemy in the RPS movie. That's a hint and a spoiler.
Why were you talking about that?
And I just can't believe how good this thing turned out, so. Uh-oh. Yeah, the door kind of does this to me sometimes. I'll go ahead and just remove the original wing. Actually,
Bro, is it really this hard just to cut a fucking circle?
I'm gonna design it like this. Oh shit! What is?
It's still a bit. That's what she said. Wait, actually,
Right there we go. There we go. Now it looks sick. Just look at that, before and after. So yeah, on with the outro. Alright, I did it. Knee upgrade complete. I use hinges for his knees. Just look at how sick this is. He's a bit taller than his enemy.
OG form, you mean?
Or OG form. I mean, just look how sick he looks. So yeah, like and subscribe to your number one Peanuts fan. On with the outro.